The Asian Strategic Project is a key component of a new approach to more hands-on learning by doing sort of learning experience. We believe that more and more management should be taught in a different way where people really handle a real case problem. And the Asian Strategic Project is pretty unique in the sense that they put students in a very different type of environment, usually places they had never been before. They work as a group. It strengthens teamwork. They work in partnership with executives in companies in emerging countries. They work under the supervision of professional consultants from Capgemini, doing an excellent job at teaching them very, very rapidly how to become professional consultants, at least to do as much as they can to provide value to companies, and they end up having to sustain their recommendations, to defend their propositions, and companies end up feeling like, wow, the value that the students are providing is outstanding, and that the best messages we could receive from the companies when they come back to us to tell us that they're willing to start again, to have another group, to work on a new project because they feel like it's extremely useful to them. We entirely assume our responsibility as not only educator, but influencer of the evolution of the economy. Every single year, we enter more and more into this debate. Are we working towards social goals? Are we working to help companies to grow their level of profitability, to be more successful on the commercial side? And obviously, more and more we see that things are somehow merging. More and more commercial companies are feeling like they have to undertake the responsibility of providing real social value, not only because it's making sense for society, but also it's making sense for them in order to really integrate societies and be perceived as good citizens in the community. And we see that more and more social companies or organizations or non-for-profit organizations really focusing on social issues, working more professionally over time, experimenting systems and processes that make them being more efficient in what they do, meaning learning from the commercial world. And we see more and more students having to work at the interface between these two approaches. And that's certainly something more visible this year than it has been in the past. I would say to most of the students, if you doubt about it, don't. It's a wonderful experience. On the other hand, you certainly have to have a certain sense of adventure. However, we make sure that people are really safe. But it's about project in emerging economy. I mean, we had project in Cambodia, project in Myanmar, great experience, but you know you're in different environments. So you have to be willing to deal with those environments. However, safety is not an issue, never been and will never be. I would say that they certainly have to feel also that they have to already investigate this field of innovation in the business models, innovation in Asia, frugal innovation, and how to address issues at the interface of the social environment, the social world, social missions, and the pure commercial and profit-making environment.